Alright, hi everyone, we're now going to introduce you to our ducks that we house at our college. We have 5 species of ducks. These 3 that I'm showing you right now are Muscovy ducks, and they originate from Central and South America. These are all sisters. This is Jessica, who's the one with the black feathers as well as the white. Jenny is the one in the middle. No wait, Jenny's the one at the back, and the way you can identify that is where her eye is. You can sort of see a line. That's because she used to have a little mark when she was a duckling. And the other one in the middle is the oldest sister, Jasmine. Yeah, Jasmine, Jessica and Jenny. They were donated to us at the college, and we've had them since they were little ducklings. And these guys over here are Jeremy, who's at the back, who's our male, and Jemima. These guys are Mandarin ducks, and they originate from Serbia, China and Japan. The way you can easily identify these is Jeremy, who is at the back right now. His colour variation is a lot brighter, and the reason for that being is he wants to attract the females, who is our female Jemima. Yep. So yeah, that's our ducks that we house here at the farm. Hopefully these 2 will breed eventually.